Today we are making Chewy Chocolate Chip Cookies with oats and an unintended alliteration. You need 230 gram butter at room temperature, 225 gram brown sugar, 115 gram white sugar, 1 package of vanilla sugar, 2 eggs, 150 gram flour, 1 package of baking powder, 260 gram oats, and 175 gram chocolate chips. Put your butter, brown sugar, white sugar, and vanilla sugar in a bowl and start mixing it. Add the eggs one at a time and continue mixing. Add the baking powder and a pinch of salt to the flour and add that into the batter. Then add the oats and chocolate chip. It's really that easy. Now scoop with a tablespoon a bit from your dough onto a tray. My biggest flaw is to fit all the dough onto my 2 trays, and that is the reason why they stuck to each other so much. The best not sticking result is that you have 12 scoops of dough on a tray this size. Bake these awesome cookies at about 160 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. Take them out when you see that they start to crack and let them rest for a few minutes and let them cool down on a cooling rack. A small tip: if you want to have them a bit thicker and chewier, you can add a bit more flour. And a warning: don't be cheap and don't make it with margarine. The consistency gets weird and the taste isn't quite right. I tested it, trust me. Otherwise, enjoy!
All the information for this recipe is in the description below, along with different types of measurements and other information. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe.